Hello everyone, I want to get these pistons cleaned up. All 4 carbon. They're in pretty good shape still, so I'm just going to use them for the engine for right now. I'm going to try gunk carburetor cleaner. I'm going to try chem-dip. I'm going to try Totally Awesome and the ultrasonic cleaner and see which works the best. Right now I got my heater plugged in. It's up to temperature, so unplug the heater. Took about an hour for it to heat up with this. Would have took like 4 hours with the heater that's in the ultrasonic cleaner. So let's get that out of the way. Got the rings and everything off, so I'll put one, let it sit in the gunk. We'll put one, let it sit in the chem-dip. Last one, oh that's hot. We'll stick it in the LA Totally Awesome. It's probably about 2.5 gallons of Totally Awesome to about 4 or 5 gallons of water. Put the lid on, we'll let them both all sit for half hour and see what it does in a half hour. You got the time set. Get that started, they're soaking. I'll rinse them all off in some clean gas. We'll see which does the best. I'll be back in a half hour. Okay, I've still got 15 minutes to go. I figured I'll check them after 15 minutes. I'll put links for everything I use down in the description. The gunk. Doesn't look like it's doing too bad. The chem-dip. Looks like the gunk's doing a little bit better job than the chem-dip. But we still got 15 minutes to go. And then the Totally Awesome. That looks like that's doing the best. That's hot. So we got 15 minutes yet. Come back in another 15 minutes, we'll pull everything out and rinse it off. It's been 30 minutes. Pull everything out, see what it looks like. Just give them a quick brush off, see which did the best and which was the easiest to do. The gunk. Didn't do too bad. Probably if you left it in for an hour or two. The chem-dip looks like gunk did a little bit better. That's hot. And it looks like Totally Awesome did the best, but let's scrub them off quick and see what they look like. Okay, that's after a half hour and just a quick wash. Gunk still got a lot of stuff on it. It's not too bad. Probably if you let it soak longer, it may soften it up. Chem-dip. Not quite as good as the gunk. All those pistons were about the same. So I'd say the gunk definitely did better than the chem-dip. And then the LA's Totally Awesome and the ultrasonic cleaner did the best. It's got a little bit on it here and there. There's a little bit there. It gets a little piece down the side right there. And a little bit in the ring grooves. As far as ease of use, definitely this with the ultrasonic cleaner. It's a lot quicker. It doesn't really hurt to finish any because they're about all the same finish. The rod looks much better. It might be hard to see on the camera, but that rod's a lot brighter. That rod's not too bad. That rod ain't too bad. One nice thing about this, you can throw a couple pistons in once, let them go, have them all done at once. Or these, you got to do it one at a time. Then you got to flip it over to get the other end clean. I think that's a 30 liter. I was going to buy a smaller one, but I figured if I wanted to put bigger parts in it, then I'd have to buy another one anyway. And that's been in there for quite a while. And I used it on the heads even before I used it in that. So I'd say that stuff's pretty good. Lot less work. Just throw it in. Let it sit. So I just figured I'd do a quick video on which one works the best. It's quickest and easiest. Goes the ultrasonic cleaner with the LA's Totally Awesome. Next is the gunk. Last is the chem-dip. Thanks for watching.